Right, the trailer is ready to pick up the VW Volkswagen Tiguan. I'm going to pick up it's a new project, and we'll see if we can fix it. Alright, so it's finally here. This is a 2011 Volkswagen Tiguan. It's got an issue with the engine. It won't start. I think it's got a oil issue, timing issue. It's a common for this vehicle. So we'll see if we can fix this. So let's do it. Alright, so it's finally here inside the shop. So what we're going to do first, we're going to check the timing chain first. The engine actually turns. You try to start, but I don't want to keep starting it because, you know, hopefully I did try to start it, and I don't know how much the previous owners did many times to start it. The valve, there's a possibility that it's already bent. The main claim about the owner is that he drive it with no oil, or somehow the oil got leaked out somewhere, and he probably just didn't notice that the oil level is low, and he just keep driving until the engine stopped working. But in my opinion, because when I try to start the engine, it will try to start, so the engine spin freely. So in my opinion, the engine is not seized. So this is why at this point I'm going to check the timing first. Maybe it has to do with the timing, because of the timing of this particular engine, it's not really good. They tend to fail on early stage of the engine. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to find out the timing chain of this vehicle. So first we're gonna remove pretty much whatever in here, so that we can have access to the timing chain. So let's do it. Okay, so this is just a quick review for this new tool I got from online. It's the inspection camera, as you can see, right? And also this got two sets of cameras. It's got one on the top and there's one on the side. Very helpful when you checking the cylinder, inside of the cylinder, to see what's really inside. So let's try. I think if I press this button here, so this knob here is for the light, how bright you want to go. So we go to the brightest, and I believe this is for the camera settings, or where you want to change the camera, as you can see. So this is the side. Just press this button, it will completely change the direction, right? Front, side. So let's go ahead and take a look inside of the cylinder. All right, here we are. So, and we go dive in to the inside of the cylinder, as you can see. There we go. by switching the camera button here. While we're looking at the thread, so we gotta go down. So now you can see the valve right now. You can see the valve. I believe this bulb is bent. I hope it's not bent, but it looks bent. Yeah, see? Yeah, it's actually. Yeah, it's got a collision. So if I go back, right? Boom. You see that? Back. Boom. Hit the piston. Go back. Boom. And then I can spin it no more. See, the valve, it should go back and sits properly if it's not bent. So let's see. See? And that's it. It's not going any further. Yeah. So the valve bent.